we're behind on schedule. We might not be able to do everything today, which is okay. We've done a lot. Trying to experience as much Iceland as possible in the little time that we have. That's kind of fun. Great view. Hrunalaug. Looks good to me. These are little change rooms. Iceland. I felt bruising on my arm. This is so relaxing. Like, with my back and my fall. I'm broken.
Okay, we have to be careful. This is the 1800s of this boat. The one over there is the laundry, and this is for the sheep.
What is your favorite site until today?
I'm loving this right now.
This one is the winner. That was so much fun. Gotta get going. A little bit more relaxed now. Thing that I've noticed about Iceland, all the birds are loud.